Hello, my name is Benny Herron with the Father Engagement Unit.
I'm Calvin Robertson with the Father Engagement Unit.
Mr. C, I see you have these tools here. What these about? What
I
are these
do.
about?
Generally, men like to work on things, so we have our pliers and we have our level in here. We also have a lot of screwdrivers in here because a lot of times men have to do it all over again to get it right. But let me tell you about the globe. In the class, we have men from all over Fairfax County, different ages, cultures, all over. And that when they come together, that's a lot of discussion.
So you got a toolbox full of tools, and it sounds like this dad's parenting group is a place where they can learn how to use these tools.
Absolutely. We will give you the curriculum, the information that you have the right tool for your situation.
So they can learn things like self-care, relationship building with their children, healthy relationships with the mothers of their children,
Co-parenting, communication.
And I think that is key.
Yes.
In that men don't have a safe space
And,
often.
and we create a safe space
That's
in this
it.
group.
That's it.
Okay, we do this in different parts of Fairfax County. Again,
So these classes take place in the evening, so we know there has to be a little bit of food. Right?
there are two things I asked the men to come with, and that's a empty stomach and open mind. The empty stomach comes with a man-sized meal because no one can learn if they're not having a meal. Then we come with all the experience that walks in the room.
So each man brings their own
their own
experience, their own story,
Yes.
and it's a place where I like to call it a crossroads.
Absolutely.
Where we meet one common ground. We're all fathers. We're all men, and we share our stories to try and make ourselves better, so that we can be better to our children.
This is our university, our own little
Fatherhood University.
Fatherhood University.
I like that.
I like it too.
Open mind.
Empty stomach.